Hello friends, let's look at constructors in this video. We will look at default constructors. Here I have a pen class in which I have declared the instance variables color, type and length. In write method I am trying to print the values of these instance variables. So let's execute the test pen class in which I am calling this write method which prints the values of these instance variables. If you look at the output, the color is null, type is null and length is 0. So in Java, if you don't provide a default constructor, then Java compiler provides a default constructor which initializes the instance variables to their default values. For string type, the default value is null. That's why we get null for both color and type. And for int variable, the default is 0. And the length of a pen is 0 is displayed at the output. Now let's try to provide a default constructor in this class. So I have written a default constructor. The name of a default constructor is same as class with no arguments. Here I am trying to initialize the values color, type and length to some values. Now if I execute this class, then the output is displayed as I am writing with a pen of black color and the type is ink pen and the length of the pen is 9. So a default constructor is a constructor which initializes the instance variables of a class to their default values. And if you want to assign some other values than that of the default values to these instance variables, then you can write your own constructor which initializes these instance variables to some values like black, ink pen and length is 9. Now instead of calling a default constructor, the Java compiler would call this pen constructor which we have defined and will assign the values to these instance variables. That's all for this video. Thank you.